Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a review on a few products I just bought a few minutes ago at H Mart. I did a video, it's uploading right now. It's called the H Mart Korean haul. H Mart is a Korean big supermarket, and they did a grand opening in a different area that I'm familiar with. And I used to go to one that's extremely far away. And the other one, I love the other one. It's just they have more stores in one building. And I used to buy a lot of stuff in there, like Korean shampoo and like all kinds of expensive stuff, but it's really far. So I was really happy to find a H Mart that was closer to me in a grand opening. So I wanted to review some products that I hauled, and I thought they were something else because I couldn't see with with the flash, of course, and it wasn't zooming in. Okay, this is a 3-piece face mask that I picked up at H Mart. It's a mask pack, and it's placenta soothing. Okay, so right here has let's see. It's not zooming in right now, but it does have instructions. I know Korean language, but not to read Korean. I can't read Korean. So anyway, yeah. So that's a 3-piece mask, of course. Now with these, I just did this one. I thought this was like a really big like a type of lotion that dries into a powder, because it says baby powder, silk repair. Then I find out this is a baby powder scented shampoo for dry and damaged hair. And if you look at the back right here, it says silk repair shining baby powder scented shampoo. So I picked this up. This is from Korea. Nice big bottle. This was $9 just for one. So I picked that up because I wasn't sure. I thought it was like a lotion. So I got that. And then these two, I thought they were hand soaps, but they're actually not. These are dish soaps. Dish soap, guys. Look how nice these bottles are. They're very small, extremely thick. You know, this is the type that'll be like a hand soap or whatever. These were $5 a piece. $5 a piece. And, yeah, I thought this was a hand lotion. So I told my son, read the back for me because the letters are so small. And it's called Barley Grain Dishwashing Liquid. Pong Pong from Korea. Barley Grain. So that looked really interesting. So I was really happy to notice that this was dish soap. So that's pretty cool. And then this one here is a dish soap. Love the packaging. And then this one here is a baking soda dishwashing detergent. So this one's a baking soda type. So that's pretty cool. And then, of course, this one here, I've been buying these before in the past. This is a white tea and bamboo salt Korean toothpaste from Korea. I also buy Atomi. It's from a brand. They have a website. Atomi is Korean. It's a Korean company. But this one's really good too. This was like $4 at the H Mart. So yeah, that's it, guys. I just wanted to review these because I wasn't sure exactly, and I didn't want to like rush into the haul and not explain exactly what it is in case y'all seen these before or you wanted to buy them or whatever. But these are dish soaps, and these are the only two that I've seen. And then this, and I thought this was like you know them lotions that you put on that you have at Dollar Tree, and they dry into a baby powder and it's like very fresh and tingly. So I thought this was that, but it was actually shampoo. So that's pretty cool. But anyway, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this haul, and I will talk to you guys later on. Bye.